birthday, Solomon invited me to come out and do a little bit of go-kart racing with the guys. So that's the story for today, just having some fun. After that, it's back to business on the Bullet. We got to take it apart. I'll do a separate video on that. We got to take it apart, go over everything that needs to be done, completed, and what the plan is to get ready for Texas 2K, because that is the goal. We're gonna need to go test before then, so we don't have a whole lot of downtime. We'll go over that in a separate video. Like I said, today's focus is let's have some fun and beat Solomon. All I want for my birthday is to beat Solomon's lap time. That's it. Look at that, my man's knows me, bro. Poly EFI hoodie, let's fucking go. Look, it's Steven. Steven showed up in his badass Nardo Gray C7. Nothing but Corvettes today, nothing but Corvettes. My brother, I lost my brother somewhere. Low-key. Lost him somewhere, I don't know where he went.
I thought I was racing this thing again. I was like, man, I already done beat this thing already.
No, you haven't. Come on now. Come on now. First of all, I've been telling everyone, I was like, you couldn't beat me down the quarter. You finally gave up on that, so now the next best thing for you was to try to beat me on some go-karts. But yeah. I guarantee today I'll have a faster lap.
He's going to beat everybody today in go-karts.
I guarantee today I will have a faster lap than you. That's my goal. What's up, buddy? Oh, look, it's Harry too. Harry showed up.
You don't want to clean this up before he came.
It ain't even good.
What's up, big dog? How are you? Huh? How you been? Good. Oh, shit. It's Harris has showed up. What's up, big dog? How are you?
Man, if I would have known y'all were bringing cool parts.
Everybody about it.
Also sounds like it's on it.
Yeah, it sounds like it's on it, doesn't it? Harry, have you ever met my brother?
Yeah. Like a skater. But while he was a nice. Like, bro,
you gotta get the spot just right, Solomon. I know you don't understand because you don't have a Corvette. Neither do I. Neither do I, but I still understand it. I had one, so that counts.
True, very true.
I'm good in any kind of racing.
Got that weight to power management.
If I had to give it, it'd probably be.
Who's the lightest out of y'all? You're probably the lighter.
Yeah, he's Big Booty Harry.
Big Booty Harry, damn, bro. Big booty.
I think Steven may be on the power. I think these are electric, right?
I don't know.
I think they're
We're
electric.
gonna find out. Captain Hook has arrived.
Captain.
She's laughing at you, bro. Dude, you don't have to.
I didn't even think
Do me a favor.
I didn't think about it. I didn't even think about it.
What? Bringing your helmet? Yeah,
Yeah.
bro. You can bring your helmet.
I
looked up the rules before I came.
I didn't.
Damn, is that a new helmet? I don't remember seeing that. Yeah, Spider. Spider webs.
Yeah, I've had some.
I remember seeing that. Damn, that's brand new. Is that the one that got a fistful of glass?
Yeah, it did. It did. I might still need to shake some of it off of here.
Yeah. Blow it out.
So that's if I lose.
Oh, look, it's
why.
Adam. Adam has showed up to the chat.
Fast cars out.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
We're waiting for
C8.
CA, yeah.
Very, very pretty.
We're waiting for a silver Camaro to show up.
I didn't know that was the idea. I'm bad.
I'll be right back.
I'm gonna need the bigger number.
Look at Andy.
Nice man, guys. Nice man.
Go! Harry was fast. Harry walked away from me.
He's probably here all the time. That's
This jackass wasn't getting out of the fucking way. He kept going so slow, I kept trying to pass him. How'd you get second to last, bro?
I mean, it has the benefit of being ahead.
You weren't even that far ahead of me either. The whole race. You guys were trying. You guys were
What
trying.
did I tell you? It was gonna look completely different. Damn it. Damn, 5,000 points, bro. Well, no way, bro. For real? Of course, this guy. You want to tell everyone what happened during the go-karting?
They rigged mine. They didn't charge mine all the way.
Both times?
Yeah, dude.
Maybe they heard you talking all that shit.
They got me, bro. Bring your game over here.
Well, we're putt-putting now that we've finished go-karting. I ended up in top 5 and then bottom 5, second round.
I was about to say.
I don't know
I was
how.
consistent,
I
7th
don't know
place
how.
every single time.
This guy beat me both times. How does it feel to actually beat me in something that's
I
racing?
just beat you. I fucking gassed you.
That's how it feels. Now you know how it feels to be on that
No, but
side.
what did you say before this? I'm gonna beat Solomon.
I almost did. I almost had you.
You never had me. You never had the golf cart. I'm your fucking golf cart.
Alright, real quick, because I forgot to record an outro, but yeah, that was fun. We had a blast. Obviously, I did not wreck Solomon like I wanted to, but we're actually going to thinking about going to a more serious track next month, so that should be fun. But for now, I got to get home. We've got a lot to do on the Trans Am. Like I said earlier, we've got to get started on that thing. So the next video, we're going to start tearing it down and going through everything that we need to accomplish to get that car 100% for Texas 2K. before we can even get to that point. Baby steps, baby steps. We got a lot of work ahead of us. So let's go. Yeah, let's go handle it.